What's up, folks? Photo Me Ike back out here again, and I'm reunited with the lovely Sarah.
Hello.
Okay, so you guys saw the last video I did with Sarah. I was testing out my brand new Godox 8300 flash. Well, today we're doing something different. Today we're going to be all natural light. So I'm going to take you through my process of how I find natural light, how I position, how I work. It's an overcast day, so this would be a good time for me to show you like how to manage and how to look and how to see natural light on overcast situations, because clearly we can't see the sun, but we know the sun is up there somewhere. But even without you seeing the sun, light still has a direction, especially natural light. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how to find light and how to see the direction of light, and hopefully this will help make your natural light pictures better. And yeah, you ready to go? All right, cool. So I'm gonna walk through the process. I'm gonna attach my Atomos to this maybe. And yeah, we're just gonna start it. Let's do it. Okay, so YouTube, as you can see, it's an overcast day. It's very flat lighting. You know, it seems easy to shoot, right? If you shoot natural light, you're like, oh, if it's overcast, it's pretty much open shade all day long, which makes for an easy shoot. Which it is easy to shoot in overcast lighting, but overcast lighting can lead to like flatter images. There's not very much pop to the images, and they're still in the direction of light, because even though the clouds are covering up the sun still goes in the same direction. So if the sun, you know, rises on the east and sets on the west, it's still making that same pattern. You just can't see it now. So let's say you can't see the sun, you don't know where the sun is, you're in a location and it's overcast. How do you find the light? Well, this down. My trick that I like to use is the hand trick. So what you do is you put your hand in front of your face and you kind of like spin, and you'll see on your hand as the light cuts across your hand, as light comes across your hand, you'll see shadows start to form. And you'll see how like when you move your hand around, you'll see where like here, this is like backlit, like I see more of a shadow. But if I turn this way, my hand starts to brighten up. So now I can tell that the light is flowing in this way. My key light is coming this way, even though I know personally the sun is on that side. In this particular situation, the light is coming in this way. So I want to face my subject in this direction. I'm going to show you what it looks like here in my hand. So put this up, boom. So recording, see here, this is like backlit. This is a backlit look. Watch how my hand gets brighter. Ooh, see how it brightens up here? This is where I'm gonna shoot. As I turn around, you'll start to see the backlit type of, oh, see, this is shadowy. This is not good. So as we can tell from this, I wanna face this way. I wanna shoot this way, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like on camera, because right now I'm shooting opposite the light, but I'm gonna put the model in the different situations to show you what they look like and how the light flows, so you can see that. All right, let's go. Yeah, stand right there, because I'm gonna take a bad picture on purpose. Yeah, perfect. So you stand this way, 1, 2. Perfect. So I took a picture of her there, which is the backlight situation. Now face this stand right here. I'm gonna move her to this location. I'm not gonna change anything. Come over. These are the same settings. I didn't change the settings. I'm gonna take the exact same picture with no settings changed. Hold that. Yeah, put the hands on the waist a little bit. Boom. Perfect. So you'll see the two images. Even I look better this direction versus when I show the camera this way. Like, I'm pretty sure the light looks better right here. But as you can see, use the hand. If it's an overcast day, do this. I swear to you, you will see the light. And take test shots. So anyways, I'm gonna get started shooting. You guys can follow along, and yeah, let's go. Okay, perfect. I like that. Excellent. Oh, this is it right here. Am I in my frame? Okay, all right, perfect. Perfect. Yes, chin up a little bit. Excellent. Let me back up a little bit for room for crop. Yes, love that. Chin up a little bit. Boom, boom. Turn the face this way towards me. Yes, all of that. Love these. Stay there. Let me actually go up to 2.8 for a little more sharpness.
I need all that sharpness.
Yeah. Stay there. Let's go again. Bring the reflector out here. Boom. Yep. Slight smile. Stay there, backing up. I like that looking off to the side. Perfect. Let me back up, get full body. Chin up a little bit. Oh, I like that. I see what you're doing there. I see the little kick up. Yeah. Boom. All of this. Yeah. This 50 is the vibe. For sure. Just in case, I'm always trying to get whatever extra light I can. Boom, there we go. All of this. Oh, this is adorable. Perfect. Backing up a little bit for the Instagram crop. Chin up a little bit, and then more laugh. Perfect, chin right here. Yes, we got it. Get up out of here. Whoo!
Oh, it's for...
Oh. No, we good. Okay, YouTube, so pop quiz. Looking at this situation here, we have this lovely campus, we have this lovely tree with the shaded area. Where do you think the best location would be for lighting wise in this particular scenario? Just standing here, where do you think the best part, where the best light is? I'm gonna give you a second to guess. Okay, if you should have guessed that spot, this spot right around here, why? How can you tell? As you can see, the shadow line area, the shadow area is where the darkness is. And if that's the brighter area, that's where the light is. And you always want to go against the shadow. You want to shoot in the direction of the light. You want the light, you know, pouring into your subject, and you want to shoot against it. So I'm going to bring you around and show you. Now, earlier it was a little bit overcast. As we can see, the sun is starting to try to poke out a little bit more. But based on this right here, we can tell that the sun is in that direction against those clouds, right? So looking back right here, boom, right? We see that there is darkness in that area and it gets brighter up here. You would want to set your subject in this bright spot with the darkness, the shadow area behind her, because that's going to be the best location of lighting. This is not the move. Shooting your person right here is not the move, okay? Because it's darkness. You're gonna have to overexpose for them, which is gonna have to bring up the background and make it super overexposed. And you know, it can work if you're in a pinch. If you have to do it, it'll work. But it's not the most advantageous situation for lighting wise, especially natural light. If you are a flash photographer and you use flash, you could shoot anywhere you want because you could just pop them with a flash and just fill in the light. But we're not using a flash, we're using natural light, so we kind of have to roll with the punches here. So in a natural light situation, this is where you're going to want to be. This right here, you can still get some pretty flowers in the background. You'll probably get some nice rim light because the sun will be coming down, bouncing against her head. So when I start shooting, you will see, and I'll probably put some examples up here too for you. Perfect. Yes. Perfect, yep, Excellent, chin up, yeah, right there, right there. Boom, excellent. Back up a little bit. Watch this thing in the background. Perfect. Excellent. Excellent. Oh, look this way a little bit. And then laugh out that way. Perfect. Stay there. One more. Yeah, one more. Bring the hands up to the, maybe to this thing. To like this. Look here, yes. Hold it. Perfect, slight smile. Excellent. Stay there. 1-8. Hold it. All of this. Okay, now you can get your hat. It's not really coming down. But do you want to put the tassel on, the other stuff too, to make it like look like legit?
Yeah, I have the...
Perfect, yep. Chin up a little bit. Turn this way. Bring the hips out that way. Tip the hips the other way. There we go, yeah, perfect. So it slims you down. There we go, perfect. Excellent. Bring the face this way a little bit more. Perfect. So I'm not even recording this thing. So battery low, okay, got it. Me telling her to turn her face this way helps the light hit her face better. Turn the face the other way. So turning her face this way is darkness. The light is here. So if I have her turn her face towards her left, this is your left, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I have her turn her face towards her left, she's facing the light, so she's better lit. So yeah, perfect. Yep, excellent. There we go. Yeah, face that way, because that's where the light is. Excellent. Yep, chin up a little bit. And then I can turn this way and shoot her in this direction and then have her fully lit. Because if I shoot her from this direction, if I shoot her from this side, turn your face this way, it's more of a split light. See that shadow on that side of her face? Right there? That shadow on that side is more of a split lighting. Turn her this way, and she is fully lit. And this is perfect. Actually, now come over here, because I had to go do a pose. I want you to kind of like this against this thing. And then cross the legs. Perfect. Bring you guys up some. My Atomos is about to die. So, bring that hand on the hip. Perfect, yes, this is right here. Chin up a little bit. Perfect, all of this is vibes. Stay there, let me back up, full body. Perfect. Yep, chin up a little bit, yeah, all of this. Got my nifty 50. Go back in again. Let's go down to 180. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Boy. You guys, no reflector. So hold that, don't move. Hold that smile. Now I'm gonna bring a reflector in. Whew, the difference a reflector makes. Wait, no reflector? Look at the face, look at the face. Now watch me bring a reflector in. You guys can see, you can see the difference in the face. Look at, no reflector. If you're not using a reflector when you shoot natural light, you hustling backwards, all right? All right, so you guys, we're in this middle section. There's no sun. I used the hand trick to find the light. As you can see, the good light is not here. I'm gonna move around, watch how the light, ooh, see how my light just all of a sudden goes light skin right here? Right here, my hand is team light skin, but here I'm dark skin. Here is good credit, here is bad credit. Here is, I got walked in safely. Here is police shoot on sight. No, I'm just joking. All right, that's getting dark. Anyways, if you want to shoot towards the light, this is where the light is. I can just tell, and I'm gonna show you guys the photos. Perfect. And smile, yeah. Got it.